My name's Glenn McGovern. I'm a motorcycle attorney, Navy rated. I've been practicing for 36 years. I'd like to talk to you and share with you a little list I made of the top 10 things that you need to do to win your motorcycle case. First thing is, at the scene of the accident, if you can, collect all available information on the accident. That would include witness information, insurance information, the accident report item number, policy numbers, and any information on anyone who's at the scene, including the officers' names, badge numbers, and police cars, and the name of the police department or state police department that is investigating the claim. Second, contact an experienced motorcycle attorney as soon as possible. He can help you with taking the right steps to preserve the evidence, hiring experts, documenting the site, and doing further research to reconstruct the accident. That's very important. Third thing is to preserve all the evidence. Preserve your gear that's probably marked and beat up. To try to take pictures of both of the vehicles in your vehicle. Get a damage estimate on the damage report. Preserve the motorcycle. That can be extremely critical because they're going to blame you. And preserve all the any skid marks. If there's any skid marks, photograph or measure those if possible, or that's when your expert comes in to do that. Also, take pictures. You can't take too many pictures. Construction zones, warning signs, if that was involved, yield signs, the other vehicles. Take as many pictures as you can as possible. You can't have too many pictures. Also, preserve your helmet and any bit of safety gear that's damaged. You want to get your tow truck driver information. Make sure you know where your bike is being towed to, and preserve that information. The other thing is ambulance information. If you go in an ambulance, try to get whatever information, what ambulance company or service or municipality is treating you, and try to have whatever information you can get from them so that you can go back and your attorney can get that information. Another thing is your ER hospital records, and this is a good point I want to emphasize here. Everything you say in the ambulance or to the police or the ER is being recorded or written down. And that's all going to be admissible evidence. So you want to be careful what you say and that you're clear in what you say. But the ER records, the hospital records, explain in those records what happened, how the accident happened. And that's going to be in those records, and that'll help you with your credibility. Another thing is file your property damage claim and file your UM claim through your attorney. They'll make an adjustment of the claim. They'll document which parts are damaged, which parts are not. That can be very critical in accident reconstruction and proving that you weren't at fault. Another thing is try to get sworn statements. Your attorney has to help you with that, but that's why you need to get an attorney early. But get sworn statements from the witnesses in order to avoid litigation, what is called summary judgment, where you don't even get to the jury later on down the line. Your attorney has to be ready and to get that sort of evidence. Collect pictures or video from the witnesses. Today, with cell phones, chances are somebody documented something on that accident. And to have that sort of evidence can be really critical, especially shots of the scene, the vehicles, or your condition can be very, very helpful. The other thing is statements you make at the scene and medical providers. Again, I want to caution you, that can be critical. So those are some of the things that you need to do. If you hire a motorcycle attorney that's experienced in this, he can help guide you through this and greatly increase your chances of winning your motorcycle crash case.